Professional riders spend years tuning their bodies into the perfect racing machines. Vision spends countless hours tuning our wheels and other aerodynamic components into the ultimate racing weapons. Hundreds of hours are invested in design and aerodynamic testing with tools like computational fluid dynamics, rapid prototyping, and a massive commitment to validating prototypes in the wind tunnel to provide the ultimate in racing wheels. Vision design engineers from Europe and the US work together seamlessly to develop all facets of rim and hub designs. These engineers work closely with our QC department to analyze the loads a wheel experiences. They then test and explore any failures to revise designs to maximize performance while minimizing weight and aerodynamic drag. Vision engineers use 3D modeling software and finite element analysis to identify high-stress areas on the rim. This allows them to perfect the carbon fiber layup schedule. Vision wheel layup begins with mold preparation and then follows the detailed layup schedule for each individual layer of carbon used, to as many as 17 layers for rim production. Prior to molding, different carbon fabrics can either be very flexible or very stiff, depending on the fibers used. Proper understanding and handling of the fabric is essential to install the layers precisely into the mold and ensure eventual ride uniformity. Once the carbon material is laid into the mold for the rim's outer wall, the inflation bladder is carefully inserted through the valve hole and placed into position. At this point, the top section, or tire bead of the rim, is laid over the mold and integrated into the rim's sidewall. Once the carbon material is laid up inside the mold, the rim is placed into an autoclave oven for the curing process. After the rim is cured, valve holes are precisely drilled to match the spoke pattern originally planned for by the engineers. Completed rims are laced to Vision's new PRA hubs. PRA is preloaded reduction adjusting system created to minimize bearing drag. The Vision hubs are produced in a state-of-the-art 5-axis CNC computer-navigated cutting mill. Each dimension is carefully controlled to confirm uniformity, perfect seat dimensions for minimal bearing drag, maximum strength and greatest efficiency, making certain we meet the exacting tolerances Vision demands. After machining is finished and surface treatment is completed, Vision hubs are hand-assembled by trained factory staff. All Vision hubs undergo a rigorous QC process to ensure perfect assembly for maximum performance. Each Vision wheel is hand-assembled by master artisan wheel builders. Spokes are hand-threaded, wheels are then properly tensioned and run through an extensive truing process to ensure both side-to-side variance and roundness are within our manufacturing specifications. After assembly, each Vision wheel undergoes a rigorous distressing process. This ensures that the spokes are properly seated into both the hub and the rim and removes any wind up in the spoke. Wheels are then retrued and electronically calibrated to check that the dish, or centering, is within tolerance. Vision maintains extensive testing capacity to ensure that our wheels meet or exceed the highest standards available in the industry, both for overall durability as well as passing UCI impact testing.
Here comes Viviani. Oh, Galimzianov's coming at him very quickly. Galimzianov is going to go past him and take this one. The Green Points jersey is in the bag for Denis Galimzianov, and that was perfectly timed. Viviani shakes his head, and the Russian has finally done it. A big win in a big race, and he takes the jersey as well. Now, that is breakthrough time for him.